Well, hello friends! Here comes a new toy that will totally keep you busy and fun for a while. I will demonstrate this to you. And again, it lost. So let's make another toy and arrange a race with your friends. So we take a strip of paper with twisted with the help of scissors, and we follow a small tunnel and check if these metallic balls fit. So we glue the tunnel and once again check if these things like this heavy metallic balls passes through. Now, take a piece of tool and rot the ball. Cut off the piece and repeat it one more time. The tool should fit perfectly the ball so you keep it inside the tunnel. Now, carefully glue the tool to the edge of the tunnel and fix it with tape. We put the ball into the cylinder and do the same with the other side. Now, glue it on top with colored paper and decorate it with our favorite heroes. Now we make a small descent from thick paper and we are ready to launch. So let's see how fast this will get to the finish line and who will be the winner of this amazing race. I'll just get with it. And wow. Let's try. And it go. Oh, blast. And I think the purple one goes the fastest so far. So even more ideas for cool games that you can make from improvised tools at home can be found on our social and on our channel. By the way, write in the comments how you will name or how you can name this toy. See you next time!